In this video, we'll show you how to use Power Automate to grab a document from OneDrive, run it through some AI magic, and turn it into a neat little summary. All right, let's build this step by step. First, we'll set up our folders in OneDrive, one for incoming files and one for output. Then we hop into Power Automate, create a new automated cloud flow, give it a catchy title, and pick the trigger when a file is created, properties only. That's our tripwire. The moment a new file lands, the magic begins. Here we need to define our incoming folder. That's where the flow kicks in the moment a document is dropped inside. Next, we add a second action, get file content. This one grabs the actual file by using the ID that our first step just pulled out. Think of it as saying, hey, Power Automate, don't just tell me a file exists. Go ahead and bring me the file itself. Now it's AI time. Add the extract text from image or document action. We feed it the file content from the previous step so the OCR can do its thing. Basically, hey AI, please read this PDF for me. In one click, your document turns into clean, searchable text we can pass to the next step. Time to make it spicy. We'll add an HTTP action and send our extracted text to OpenAI for a slick summary. Yes, you could use Power Automate's built-in AI, but we'll go straight to the OpenAI API for maximum control. In the HTTP step, set method to post, point the URI to the OpenAI chat endpoint, add headers for content type, application/JSON, and your authorization, bearer API key. And please keep that key secret, folks. In the body, we drop a short prompt like, summarize this document in 5 bullet points, and then insert the dynamic content from the OCR step. That's the crucial bit. Don't type it, insert it, so the actual document text is sent. Now all that's left is to fill in the standard OpenAI request with the text content from our last action. Just drop the output of the OCR step right into the user message of the HTTP body. That way, instead of sending a blank prompt, we're actually handing OpenAI the full document text to work with. Next, we read the response from OpenAI. For that, we drop in a compose action. In its input, we use an expression to pull out just the assistant's reply, no IDs, no token counts, just the pure summary. And finally, the last step, create file. We point it to our output folder, give it a name, for example, the original file name +_summary.txt. And for the content, we just plug in the output from our compose step. Hit save, drop in a PDF, and like magic, you'll find a neat little summary waiting for you in your OneDrive. And that's it. We just built an AI-powered PDF summarizer with Power Automate and OpenAI. Upload a document, grab a coffee, and let the flow do the heavy lifting. Now let's give it a spin. We drop a document into our incoming folder, sit back, and watch the magic happen. And if there were a problem, we'd spot it right here in the run history of our simulation. Power Automate is great for that. Every step shows green when it works, or red if something went wrong. That way you know exactly where to fix things without guessing in the dark. And boom, here's the summary, fresh out of the flow. Of course, you're not limited to saving it as a text file. You could just as easily send the result in an email, log it into Excel, or even push it straight into your ERP system. The possibilities are wide open. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe for more automation tricks, and drop a comment if you want me to dive deeper into Power Automate plus AI magic.